Hi everybody, how are you doing? I just wanted to do a quick video today about moles. Moles are a huge nuisance and they're an issue, so I'm going to do some clips of how to set baits for moles and how you put them in their runs to try and drive them out. When using baits for controlling moles, there's a few things you really want to consider. The first is use latex gloves so they won't scent the worm. Always follow the label instructions when using baits for worms. And what you really want to do is try and find a main run that you can poke with a stick and create a hole in, and then you go and you can insert the worm into that hole and leave just a tiny little bit out, or you can put it all the way in if you're worried for pets at all, and then take a stick and stick it in the ground near that area so that you can go back later to check and make sure that the mole has taken the worm, and if it has, you know that you've had an effective baiting. We also have a product that you can see the guys behind me are running. It's called repelx, and it's a repellent for moles. And what it does is it makes it so that the moles can't smell their food. Now, most people think grubs is their main food source. Actually, earthworms is the main food source. So it makes it so they can't smell it and they leave the area. So initially, you may see a little bit more activity, but after a week or two, it's completely gone, and it lasts for 12 weeks with good soil moisture. So highly recommend calling this out if you have that product, but also you can use the baits as is shown in other parts of this video. Thanks and have a great day.